There are many different ways to tell a story. A picture book is a story told with drawings, photographs, or other pictures and words. In this lesson, you will create a digital picture book. Instead of a book you hold in your hands, your picture book will be read in a presentation. A presentation shows, describes, or explains something. The pages of your digital picture book will be slides. As you create your digital picture book, you will learn many new digital skills. Digital skills help you find information, share things with others, or create something entirely new when you're online. The digital skills you learn in this video will help you create a new presentation. Add information to the title slide. Insert slides. Add text. And add images to your presentation. This lesson uses the computer program Google Slides, which lets you design your picture book the way you want it to look. But you could create your book with markers and a piece of paper, or any presentation program. To start, sign into your Google account. Open a new tab in your browser. A tab is like a page, and a browser is the computer program you're using right now to watch this video. Browsers allow you to access websites. Next, go to google.com. If you're not signed in, do so now. Click Sign In. Type your email address and click Next. Then type your password and click Next. Or if you do not have a Google account, pause the video and make one. Then move on to the next video to start designing your poster. Now it's your turn. Open a new tab in your browser. Go to google.com. Click Sign In. Type your email address and type your password. In this video, you will begin creating your picture book. To start, click on the Google Apps menu. Select Drive. Your drive is a place to keep the things you use or make when you're online. They will stay there until you choose to put them in the trash. Your drive is also where you find the Google computer programs that let you write. Draw a map to your favorite place. Or make presentations such as the one you're creating. Click New, then Google Slides, and create a new blank presentation. Where it says Untitled Presentation, add a title. Include your name. Now, spend a few minutes thinking of a story for your picture book. Your story can be a fairy tale, an adventure, a personal story about something that happened to you, or anything else you can invent. Think of a beginning, a middle, and an end. The beginning introduces the characters and where the story takes place. The middle has a problem to be solved or a task that must be done, such as figuring out a clue, finding something that was lost, or exploring a new place. The end finishes the story and explains how everything turned out. Now it's your turn. Click on the Google Apps menu. Select Drive. Click New and create a new blank presentation. Add a title that includes your name. And think of a story with a beginning, middle, and end. In this video, you will choose a theme for your picture book. Then you will make a cover page. A theme gives all of your slides a similar look and style. Click on Theme. Then scroll through the theme menu to see the options. Some themes are fun and colorful. Others are more serious. Choose a theme that matches your story idea. Then close the theme menu. Next, create your cover page. The cover page of a book includes its title and the author's name. Choose an interesting title so people want to read your story. Click to add a title, then type it in. Next, type in the author's name. You are the author because you are the person writing the book. Now it's your turn. Choose a theme, add a title, and add your name as the author. In this video, you will add slides to your digital picture book presentation. The slides will be the pages of your book. Each slide will tell part of your story with both words and a picture. To begin, insert another slide in your presentation. Click on the menu next to the plus sign. Select the layout that has a space for words and a picture. Next, click to add text and start typing your story. Keep each slide short. Write just 1 or 2 sentences. Start with the beginning, which introduces the characters and where the story takes place. When you are happy with the beginning of your story, highlight the words and use the font size tool to make the size of the text easier to read. Then insert another slide in your presentation. Click on the menu next to the plus sign. Use the same layout again. Click to add text and continue telling your story. This is the middle, so perhaps your character has a problem or needs to complete a task. Keep adding slides and text until you get to the end of your story. The last slide will explain how everything turned out. Now it's your turn. Add slides to your presentation. Type 1 or 2 sentences on each slide and use the font size tool to make the words easy to read. In this video, you will add pictures or images to the pages of your digital picture book. The images will help tell your story. To start, use the film strip view to select the slide with the beginning of your story on it. Film strip view shows all of the slides in your presentation in order. Click on the slide. Click Insert. Then select Image. Choose to insert an image by searching the web. Where it says Search for Images, type a keyword for what you're studying. Scroll through the results until you see the image you would like to add. Select it and click Insert. Resize the image so it fits on your slide. Hold down the Shift key, then click and drag one of the corner handles. Dragging the handle outward makes your image bigger. Dragging it inward makes your image smaller. Then click on the image to move it where you would like it to appear on your page. Then use the film strip view to select the next slide. Repeat the process to add an image here too. Continue adding images that help tell your story on each of your slides. Now it's your turn. Insert an image by searching the web. Resize the image. Move the image. And repeat the process until you have added images to your beginning, middle, and ending slides. In this video, you will preview your presentation. Previewing means you see what your presentation will look like when you show it to others or watch it again yourself later. To begin, use the film strip view to go to the title slide. Select it. Click Present, then Present from Beginning. When you see your cover page slide, read your title and subtitle. Then, click the Next Slide arrow once to continue reading your digital picture book. Keep going until you have finished the story. If you like, make any changes to the words or images in your picture book. Now it's your turn. Preview your presentation and make changes if you like. In this extension, you will add animations to your presentation. An animation is an effect that adds movement to a slide. Animations can make your picture book more fun and interesting. To start, click on the Google Apps menu. Then click Drive. Your Drive is a place to keep the things you use or make when you're online. They will stay there until you choose to put them in the trash. If you don't see your digital picture book presentation right away, do a search. Type your name. This word is also in the title of your presentation. Open the presentation. Go to your first slide with a picture on it. To animate the image, select it. Then, use the Insert menu to choose Animation. There are numerous animation effects to choose from. Test different options until you find the one that works best for your presentation. If you want to see the animation each time another slide appears, then make sure After Previous is selected. Adjust the speed of the animation. Repeat this process for all of the images in your presentation. Finally, preview your animations by clicking Present from Beginning. Now it's your turn. Go to your Google Drive and open your presentation. Click on an image. Use the Insert menu to choose Animation. Choose an animation and adjust the speed, and repeat the process for all images. In this extension, you will add transitions to your digital picture book. A transition is a visual effect that determines how one slide changes into the next slide when you play your presentation. Transitions can make your picture book more fun and interesting. To start, click on the Google Apps menu. Then click Drive. Your drive is a place to keep the things you use or make when you're online. They will stay there until you choose to put them in the trash. If you don't see your digital picture book presentation right away, do a search. Type your name. This word is also in the title of your presentation. Open the presentation. Now, select the first slide and click Transition. There are many different types to choose from. There are simple transitions, such as fading to the next slide, or more complex effects, such as spinning your slide around as a cube. Test the different transitions and choose the one that best fits your picture book. Adjust the duration speed of the transition until you are happy with the effect. The duration is how long the transition takes. Click Play to make sure the transition type and duration speed are set how you want them. Then, click Stop. Apply the same transition to all of your slides. Then, close the transitions window. Finally, preview your presentation from the beginning. Adjust the transitions if you like. Now it's your turn. Go to your Google Drive and open your presentation. Click on the first slide and click Transition. Choose a transition and adjust the speed. Apply it to all slides and preview your presentation. In this video, you will add borders and border colors to the pictures in your digital picture book. A border is a line or edge that goes around something. To begin, click on the Google Apps menu. Then click Drive. Your drive is a place to keep the things you use or make when you're online. They will stay there until you choose to put them in the trash. If you don't see your presentation right away, do a search. Type your name. This is also in the title of your presentation. Open your picture book. Click on one of your pictures. Select Format, then Borders and Lines. Choose a border weight. The larger the number, the bigger your border will be. With the image still selected, choose a border color. Click Format, Borders and Lines, and Border Color. Then, use the film strip view to go to the next slide. Click on the image and add a border and border color. Continue adding borders and colors to each of your pictures. Finally, preview your presentation from the beginning. Adjust the borders and border colors if you like. Now it's your turn. Go to your Google Drive and open your picture book. Click on an image, add a border weight and color. Repeat the process until all of your pictures have borders with colors, and preview your presentation.